Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 3rd of July. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts of the NASDAQ100. What we'll see is that it's potentially in a flag in the bullish formation. However, the upside does need to resume quite quickly as we're losing momentum and the picture could deteriorate if we don't rally soon. So here we are on the daily, and you can see that we've had this flag after the big bull run. But is it a flag? Well, let's wait and see. I mean, at the moment, you can say that we've created a short-term downtrend. The 20-day moving average has rolled over. 50 still moving up, and it looks like it still will be moving up if the 20 crosses it. So it won't be such a bearish picture from there. We have had a rally in the last couple of days. What you can't really see on the volumes is that unfortunately we're getting higher volmes on the sells than we are on the buy, so that's a concern. You can see that more in the 4 hour when we get to that. The 50-day, which did give some support on the 15th of June, and then through this period 26th, 27th, the 29th of June is now given up. We're below the 50-day, so there are warning signs, but as you can see from the weekly picture, it is just still a flag at the moment. Key support seen here at the 20-week moving average 55.65. Let's just nip back to the daily just to look at the RSI. That's now gone below 50, 44.65. In a slight downtrend, and the MACD as well now below zero and indicating a build-up of negative momentum. On the weekly RSI, still above 50, 60.8, but in its own downtrend, and although well above zero, the short-term MACD just gone below the longer term, so be careful there as well. Now on the 4 hour picture, now here you can see quite clearly that on the sells the volumes are higher than on the buys, so that's a slight concern. I also don't like this picture where we're getting quite regular periods of 5 and 6 4 hour periods where it's all red. Indicating that there is follow-through selling when we start to get a build-up of selling pressure, and you can see these bands of red. I mean, when you've got such sustained selling in a short period like that, the market can't. It does have a short-term recovery, but the momentum is definitely towards the downside. And if that continues, if we get the next one, I mean, obviously that could test the support of that 20-week moving average. On the moving averages here, you can see that they're all tracking downwards. Didn't get any bearish crosses as they came lower, so that was quite good, but they are all creating resistance to any upside now. On the RSI, it's still below 50, has ticked up with the recent rally over the last couple of days, as has the MACD, but not yet indicative of positive momentum. On the support resistances, we've got first resistance at the 50 from the 4 hour, 57.32 spot 44, and then at the 20-day, 57.47 spot 33, with support 55.93.6, and then the second support at 55.65.1, which is the 20-week. So that's been a quick look at the technicals on the NASDAQ100. As I said, it could still be a flag in the bullish picture, but please be careful because the downside momentum could be building. And just to clarify the key points, is it a flag? As I've mentioned, this loss of upside momentum, the higher volumes on down days, and to conclude, the upside needs to resume very quickly for the picture to confirm that it is a flag. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember, these videos are for information purposes only and are not investment recommendations. Thank you.